Hey again, it's Bree. In today's Back to Basics video, we're covering tips to help you get the most out of your solar panels in the winter. There are a few things you can do to maximize solar production and maintain efficiency, even when winter weather is impacting your panel's ability to collect energy. First up, adjust the angle of your panels. Since the sun is lower in the sky, setting your panels at a steeper angle can help you collect more energy. Next, clean any snow off your panels with a brush. Snow can block sunlight and strain the mounting hardware. Never remove snow with a metal rake, since this can scratch the cells on the panel. Need more power? Add extra solar panels to collect energy faster when the days are short and less sunlight is available. We also suggest insulating your power station to help the power you collect last as long as possible. These tips can go a long way, but winter is also a good time to be aware of your energy use. For example, you can save energy by improving your home's insulation, turning off appliances you aren't using, switching to energy-efficient lights, and turning down your thermostat. Need more solar panels to power you through the winter months? Visit goalzero.com to shop our wide selection.